In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete Xero items. Whether you're cleaning up your Xero account or just need to remove some entries, this process is simple, and I'll walk you through every step so you can get it done quickly and efficiently. Stay tuned, because at the end, I'll tell you how you can try Xero for free with an exclusive bonus, so you won't want to miss that. First, let's jump into your Xero account. Once logged in, head to the section where the item you want to delete is located. This could be a bill, invoice, or any other transaction. To delete an item, simply locate the specific entry in your list. Now, here's the trick. Click on the item to open it, and you'll see options on the top right of the screen. If it's something you no longer need, like a draft invoice or a bill that shouldn't have been created, you'll see a button that says Delete. If you don't see this button, check the status of the item. Xero doesn't allow you to delete finalized or posted invoices, for example. You'll need to void or credit these items first, which is also a simple process. Just click on the Options button, then select Void or Credit Note, depending on the situation. Now, for something like a bill or expense, deleting it is as easy as selecting the Delete button, confirming that you want to remove it, and it's gone. If you're dealing with a transaction, make sure to review everything beforehand. Deleting an item is permanent, and once it's deleted, you can't recover it unless you manually recreate the item. If you ever need to delete multiple items at once, go to your list of transactions or bills, select the ones you want to delete by ticking the checkboxes beside them, and then click the Delete option that appears at the top of the screen. It's important to know that Xero offers a ton of flexibility, but deleting items is something you should approach carefully, especially if it's part of your accounting or financial history. Make sure you double-check any adjustments before hitting Delete, as mistakes could cause problems with your records. Remember, the process is straightforward, but if you've never worked with Xero before, it can be a little overwhelming. That's why I've linked to a free trial in the description below, where you can test out all of Xero's features with exclusive bonuses to help you get started. Stick around for a minute, because I'll also show you how to manage and edit your deleted items in case you change your mind or need to correct something after deleting. Before we wrap up, just a quick reminder. You can access Xero with our exclusive extended free trial through the first link below. Make sure you check that out to see how easy Xero makes managing your finances no matter what stage you're at. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.